Okay, so in this example, we're going to be finding the derivative of a function involving a logarithm with a base other than e. So just for the record, we're going to remember that rule from before. D dx of log base b of x is the fraction 1 over the natural log of b times x. So we're going to be using that idea in this problem. So our h prime, if you look at it very carefully, is going to have a product rule because we have x squared times a logarithm. So in using that product rule, derivative of x squared, it's 2x. And again, that's times the second. So that's log base 3 of the quantity 4x plus 7 plus the first, which is x squared. And now it's going to be times that derivative of that logarithm. So again, in our denominator, taking the derivative of the log is going to give us a natural log of 3. Again, normally it'd be x, but because we're using the chain rule, it's going to be 1 over that stuff, which in this case is 4x plus 7. And then our numerator is going to be the derivative of 4x plus 7, which is just a 4. So that right there is the derivative of that function, and it doesn't really simplify down. You could factor out a 2 and an x, but that doesn't really gain much for us. So we're just going to leave that derivative as is and say that we found our derivative.